Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I was inspired to do an updo on my short 4C natural hair, so check it out. So for my group therapy, the word of the month is inspiration. And inspiration is the process of being mentally stimulated to do or feel something, especially something creative. And since I cut my hair last year, I haven't done any like messing around with it, with adding like extensions to it. So I was like, oh, well, why don't I do an updo like how I used to do? I think I have enough length to try it out. So I was inspired to try out an updo on my 4C. I did do a big chop last year, so my sides they all gone, y'all, but I will let y'all know. My sides, that's 3 months of new growth right there, okay? So I started out by kind of like parting my hair. I was like, I'm gonna do this in 3 sections. So I started off by parting the first section, which is usually always the biggest section because it's up front. And I added some water to my hair because it was giving dry. It was giving real dry. And I am trying to part my sides to the best of my ability so that we can, later on, we'll slick them down and, get them together. But as of now, we just want to prep our natural hair for the updo. So I was like, all right, my hair is not as short as I make it seem. But my shrinkage is like for real. Like it's very, very real. So it seems like my hair's short, but it's still short, but not as short as I be thinking. So yes, I am using jam. This jam I bought maybe like 2 years ago when I was playing around with hair a lot during the pandemic. I'm just using that to slick my hair down. And it's so crazy how you can see like how texture changes when you add water and products. Cause I'm like, okay, look at how slick my hair was. And y'all saw it a few seconds ago. It wasn't giving slick down type look. Anyway, so I use a hair tie to make a bun, and this just does not have to be like super neat. Don't worry, it's gonna come together later on. So then I used some more jam to slick down my sides because I was like, I don't know what's going on with these sides, but let's put some product in it. Maybe get it to curl up, get it to lay flat. Let's do something, okay? So I used my brush to make it lay flat, even though I knew it was gonna stay flat because I know how my hair is, and it just, it likes to coil back up. Even with products, it likes to coil back up. If the product, like jam, that the hold ain't that strong, my hair gonna coil back up, that's for sure. Anyway, so what we did to the front, we're gonna do to the middle section. So this time I added water beforehand to make parting easier because before I was struggling a bit with parting my hair when there was no water and it was giving real dry Sahara. So trying to part the Sahara Desert, you can only imagine how hard that would be. So that's what I was going through. I was first parting my hair. Then I'm using the jam again just to slick them sides, okay? And using a hard brush because a hard brush is going to get us to where we need to go. And I am just creating another bun here.
Okay, Elsa.
All right, so now we have all 3 buns done. The parts do not have to be super straight. And I have these old clip-ins. I will put a link to my original videos with these clip-ins. And I was like, let me put these things to use, okay? Because we just got hair sitting around and not using it. So I was like, okay, well, let me wrap the clip-in around the bun and see how we can make it do what it do. And yes, we know my hair is a different color than this clip-in hair, which is all black. So I was like, okay, let's make this bun a little thicker. Let's add another clip-in. And these clip-in pieces, they're not like super long in width, so this is perfect. You don't really have to clip it. You can just stick it into your hair and wrap it around to give you that bun effect. And then of course you could play with the hair on how much you want it to cover your own natural hair. So I did the same thing to the middle section. I tried to use, you know, some of the smaller width clips, and it's such an easy wrap around, y'all. This is great for like maybe just a day hairstyle. If you're just like feeling creative and you about to go out for the day, you're like, I want to do something different with my hair. I think this is just like a great, easy style for you to do on your hair. It literally takes less than 20 minutes to do. Might be even less if your hair's not as kinky as mine, and you can part it quicker, okay? And then in the back, I really just be feeling my way around in the back because I cannot see back there. And hey, we left out a little bit of my hair, but you know what? That adds a little bit of color, okay? Sometimes you need a little color in your life, okay? And then you want to make sure you are hiding the clips just in case they're trying to stick out. And then I decided to put more product on my sides since my sides are just siding, which I'm gonna get them cut because I don't like this whole in-between phase of like this 3 months of non-cutting my sides. So yeah, they're just gonna have to I need a line up, and I just need the sides cut down because it just doesn't work for me, okay? It really doesn't, y'all. So my sheet is bomb edge control. Y'all, this is the best edge control ever. I was like, we gotta get some more slicking going on because this jam ain't giving. Okay, so my She Is Bomb edge control came in and saved the day and really got the hair to slick down. Y'all see that right there? I can say that She Is Bomb is one of the best edge controls I've ever used. Okay, it's one of the best edge controls I've ever used personally. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. You can't tell me the hair is not slicking. Okay, the hair is not slicking. Look at my sides. I even created a little tiny sideburn for myself. I don't know when I started liking sideburns, but there we go. And I was like, hold on, let me go ahead and get my scarf because that's what's really gonna seal the deal. I got this Love Me hair little scarf from my sides. So anyways, so I came back. I added another scarf because that little Love Me hair scarf was not enough. I was like, ooh, I need a little bit more going on. And look at this hair. Look, it's slicked down, y'all. It's slicked down. A scarf will do wonders, y'all. A scarf will definitely do wonders with getting your hair to lay flat, no matter the texture of your hair, and a good edge control or a good jam will get you right. And I had to use my small mirror because I was like, okay, let me see what's going on back there because I really haven't checked. And I was like, you know what? A little ginger ain't hurt nobody. So anyways, y'all, this is the easy peasy hairstyle for 4C short natural hair.